1949 Cadillac Series 61 Sedan. Now, I believe this color would have been Madeira Maroon, which is basically kind of a chocolate brown with a little bit of a maroon cast, and Peso Beige Metallic. Paso, as in El Paso. Hey, here's a Caddy to take a look at. Wow. 1949 Cadillac Series 61 Sedan. Now, as far as color-wise, I believe this would have been Paso Beige, or El Paso Beige. And the roof, Madeira Maroon, which is basically kind of like a darker brown with a cast of maroon to it. Pretty cool color combination. Now, as far as the paint, while I'm talking about it, there's a few spots where it does show that it is a little older paint to it. You got just a little bit of kind of shadowing up here in the hood, but overall, this car shows nicely. It's kind of cool, I always think, when you get an older car like this that maybe isn't just ideally perfect and has a little bit of character to it, but check out the chrome. You want to talk character, look at that front grille, bumper, headlights, surrounds, marker lights down there. Beautiful. Underneath the hood, 331 cubic inch V8. I believe this would have been the first year of the overhead valve V8, and that is paired up with the 4-speed Hydromatic transmission. I believe that would have been optional. This would have came standard with a 3-speed manual, I believe. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Full wheel covers, wide whites, and check that out, curb feelers. Hey, why not? Big Cadillac. Interior is cloth, kind of a two-tone, taupe and brown, I would call it. Beautiful steering wheel in this, and we're going to get around to that driver's side here in a bit, let you check that out. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can also see if you're getting the right light. A little bit of checking up on this roof. Again, it's kind of that patina look that makes it so cool. And then you can also see where there's a little more of a kind of maroon cast. And that's where that Madeira Maroon comes from. But it is very, very dark. Check out the still pictures with the trunk. Looks very original. Inside the trunk, of course, gas fill on this one. It'll be right here. Check that out. The rear of this was the P-38 inspired tail fins, which you can see looking at there, fighter plane from World War II. Take a look up and down the driver's side of this Series 61. Of course, the fender skirts. And again, check out those still pictures. Look at the underside of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. See how nice and solid it looks. Check out this interior. Very showable. This is a car you can have some fun with. Take it on cruises around your area, or any of the local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local car shows. Just don't see these every day. Of course, two handles here, one for the side window, one for the wing window. And then just look at this beautiful steering wheel. Not full of cracks, checking like you see so many times. This vintage steering wheel. Of course, the headliner, good shape on this one. Now, something I want to show you was added on this, makes it a little easier to start. Sometimes if these cars, you don't drive them all the time and they sit a little bit, we have this switch right here, which is a fuel pump. And if you click that, turn the key on, you can hear a fuel pump run. It's basically priming your system, making sure you have fuel up to the engine. You could start it then, which we can go ahead and do. We're in neutral. Push button start right here. Once it starts up, click it back off. It'll run just fine. I noticed the radio does power up And you can hear static there, but I have not gotten any reception with it, FYI, just to let you know. But you can see the power light on. Could be because I'm inside. This would be your on-off switchboard on the end. Take a look at that dash. Nice shape that's in. I did have the wipers working, albeit they are vacuum and work like vacuum wipers. Gas gauge appeared to come up. Temperature gauge also appears to come up once the engine is warmed up. Oil pressure, as you can see, and as well as the battery. So it appears all the gauges are working in this. Of course, check out the order transmission. Neutral, drive, low, and reverse. Reverse being all the way down, a little bit different than modern ones. Very cool interior, and again, very showable. It does have the hood release underneath here, a lot of the earlier ones. Up at the front of the hood and in the grille, but this does have the release inside the car. And you can see fabric, seats, nice shape. Be a fun one to go down the road in, no doubt. Nice that that door closes. Slip around to the back. No crazy obnoxious exhaust, anything like that. Smooth running V8 underneath the hood. Speaking of which, I'm going to pause this. Let's pop the hood and check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. There's that 331 cubic inch engine. Listen how smooth that is. No doubt, good runner. Pretty stock looking engine bay. Again, what a fun one to take in your local shows and cruises. Imagine how this has to go down the road. Wow. You're also going to see a still picture of the data tag, or cal tag right there. If you have that in the still pictures, you'll also be able to see the VIN tag on it. So check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. 1949 Cadillac Series 61 Sedan, and it's a beauty. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.